aqua regia or royal water. In this video, we discuss about the formation of aqua regia, compositions of aqua regia, and the reaction of aqua regia with the noble metals like gold, platinum. So watch this discussion up to the end and understand the full topic. Before starting the discussions regarding this topic, I would like to remind you that if you are new to this channel, watching first time this channel, then subscribe this channel and press the notification button to get the new video upload notification. Hello everybody, I am Atanu Betal, and in this video lecture you are welcome. And right now we discuss about this topic. We already know about the topic. Aqua regia, or it is also called royal water. It is a mixture of two substances. One is nitric acid concentrated, another is concentrated hydrochloric acid. When these two acids, means nitric acid and concentrated hydrochloric acid, are mixed together by the ratio of 3:1, means nitric acid by 1 volume and hydrochloric acid by 3 volume, that time the mixture is formed, and this mixture is called this mixture is called aqua regia or royal water. Means 3 volume of hydrochloric acid concentrated and 1 volume of nitric acid concentrated. When concentrated hydrochloric acid by volume 3 volume of hydrochloric acid when mixed with 1 volume of nitric acid, that time the 1 volume of concentrated nitric acid, in both the cases concentrated acid is used. So by mixing 3 volume the hydrochloric acid concentrated and 1 volume nitric acid concentrated, the mixture form, it is called aqua regia or royal water. Aqua regia and royal water is a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid by the ratio 3:1. By the ratio 3:1, this is aqua regia is the mixture of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. Now the question is, what chemical reaction occurs when this concentrated hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid reacting together? When the 3 volume of concentrated hydrochloric acid and the 1 volume of nitric acid concentrated reacting together to form NaCl, H2O and Cl. This one is called nascent chlorine, very reactive. This is very reactive. This one is called nitrosyl chloride. Nitrosyl chloride water and nascent chlorine is formed. Right now we have to balance this equation. This case 3 chlorine present, so here should be 2 chlorine, 1 chlorine is here, and now the oxygen number is 2 here, 3 here, so put 2 here. 2 into 2 means 4, 2, 3 plus 1, 4, so 4 hydrogen, and this one equation is balanced right now. 2 nascent chlorine, 2 H2O and NaCl. So after the reaction of this acid mixture, means concentrated nitric acid and concentrated hydrochloric acid, the species that are formed are nitrosyl chloride, water and nascent chlorine. And this nascent chlorine is the reactive species that is present in this mixture and which is responsible for the dissolve of the noble metals like gold and platinum in aqua regia. So this reaction is taking place when the hydrochloric acid 3 parts by volume concentrated and nitric acid by 1 part volume mixed together. This reactive mixture, which is called aqua regia, is formed. And in some cases you ask you can face this type of question, that what is the reactive species that is present in aqua regia. That time you have to answer the question that reactive species that is present in aqua regia is this one, means nascent chlorine. It is the reactive species which is responsible for the dissolve of the noble metals like gold and platinum. So in the next part we discuss about that when the aqua regia reacts with the noble metals like gold and platinum, which type of reactions occurs. Actually, gold and platinum, when reacts with this aqua regia, they get dissolved in aqua regia. In aqua regia, the reactive species, here you see here how I am again writing this equation, HNO3 and to NOCl and water and Cl. Here you can see this one, nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. Nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. This oxidizes the hydrochloric acid and produce this nascent chlorine. Okay, so this one is a strong oxidizing agent. Okay, oxidizing agent oxidizes the hydrochloric acid to form the mixture. Okay, so when aqua regia is added to noble metals like gold with gold, this reactive species nascent chlorine reacts with gold metal and form gold chloride, gold 3 chloride. This is soluble, means gold is soluble in aqua regia in this form gold chloride. Okay, gold 3 chloride. And if we talk about another noble metal platinum, it reacts with the aqua regia mixture to form PtCl4, platinum 4 chloride. Platinum 4 chloride is formed, here put 4. So platinum chloride formation takes place when platinum reacts with aqua regia, and when gold reacts with aqua regia, that time gold 3 chloride is formed. So in this way gold platinum reacts with the aqua regia mixture or royal water, and they completely get dissolved, means gold and platinum completely get dissolved in aqua regia. It is a very highly reactive mixture. Here noble metals get dissolved completely. So that is about the discussions about the aqua regia or royal water and the reaction of aqua regia with the reactive this one is noble metal. So I think you understand this topic well. If you have any problem, then you can write in the comment section below what is your problem. I would like to solve your problem. Okay, so that's the discussion. Thank you for watching this discussion. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the notification button to get new video upload notification.